Before we start, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending, guys, thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Mercedes C-Class, that generation here, W204, if you guys have one of those, if you need to find where fuses and relays for the driver and passenger seat module are located, that's we're talking about front left, front right seat modules. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, guys. We'll be working in some fuse boxes that are hidden. Make sure you stay until the end, guys. We'll explain where you can find all of this. And if you need to buy replacement parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We make mechanical repair videos, engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical, engine, transmission codes, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is, guys, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, we'll be working mostly in two different fuse boxes. Now let's explain where they're located. The first fuse box, we need to come to the driver's side, guys. Okay, we're talking about the driver's side right here. And if you come, guys, on the driver's side, you need to remove that cover. We'll have video how to do that in the fuse box location and diagram video on our YouTube channel. Check it out, guys. Here, if you have these fuses, do you see now? Okay, let me see if I can get a better view. Right there on the bottom, that's fuse 116 and 126. These two fuses, if you have them, check them. If you don't have them, don't freak out. Everything's okay, guys. Let's explain what else we need to do. Guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. That way you do not spend money on diagnostics, parts, repairs you may actually not even need. So, guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. We're talking about the maxi fuses, standard fuses right here. You have, watch how many different kinds of relays as well. Now, these fuses, sometimes you can clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not by looking at the element. But sometimes it's really sneaky. They can burn here on the side. It's hard to see. Some fuses will not be visible as well. And we had people that will spend thousands of dollars in repairs, replacing modules, even engine computers, when all they had to do, they assumed they had a good fuse. They pulled it out, they saw it, and they assumed it was good. But guys, you can easily test these fuses, and on some of these, most of them, they have even the terminals on top that allows you to check them with a voltmeter and find out if it's good or bad. You see, that's a good fuse. If it's blown, okay, like this one here, it's blown, nothing. Check this thing out, no connection. One next to it, okay. Right here, let me get good contact point. That's a good fuse, guys. You can see you can test them. Now, relays are harder to test, but with the voltmeter, fuses are super easy to test. All we have to do is set it on that setting and practically your home resistance setting, and you can find, guys, okay, if it works or not. For instance, that one was the good fuse. You can see it's going to go down to 0 ohms resistance, or you can go ahead, remove it and test it the same way, guys. It should have 0 ohm resistance. Now, relays, guys, are a little bit more complicated, but it's doable. It will take you a minute or two to find out how to do that. Now, we'll put, guys, links to a video that will explain how to test relays, how to test fuses, which battery terminal you need to reconnect and disconnect first if you're doing repairs, because that can cause modules to burn as well, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the videos, they will be in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. We need to come to the trunk, and in the trunk, guys, we have another fuse box, which is located under this cover right there. And you can see how many different fuses and relays you have there, guys, right? It's quite a few. Now, here we'll be working, guys, on a few different fuses. First, we're talking about fuse number 44. So if you come here, that fuse is 43. So 44 and 45, these two fuses will need to be checked. Next, you need to, guys, find fuse number 54. So some of you will not have it. The numbers are next to the fuses. That here is 52. So you have 52, 53, so 54, 55. these 54 and 56 fuses will need to be checked. Check those. And some of you may have another one which is known as fuse number 62, guys. So 62, okay, will be that 65, 64, 63, 62. We're talking about that fuse right here. Also, you need to check relay, guys. Relay F right here. Those are the main fuses, guys, okay, that you will need to check specifically, guys, okay, for the driver and passenger seat power modules, guys. In this Mercedes W204, you're going to have all kinds of different fuses and relays that sometimes are hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding one, guys. Replacement one, you may be stuck. It happened to us. So what we usually do, we buy some spare ones and we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share a link where you can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. That link will be in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.